Meaning of hosannah.
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 Hosannah. The word hosannah is a religious term used to express adoration, praise, and thanksgiving to God. It originated from the Hebrew phrase hosannah, which means save us, please. In Christianity, hosannah is often associated with Palm Sunday, as it was exclaimed by the crowds when Jesus Christ entered Jerusalem riding on a donkey. Today, hosannah is still commonly used during religious services and is also found in various hymns and songs. Overall, hosannah is a term of reverence and gratitude towards a higher power.